Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm Maidena Kusuma from Mathematics Education on 11 Maret University. Today we will learn about integration by parts. Enjoy this video. Okay, let's begin. Integration by parts. Integration by part is used to integrate the multiplication function. This technique is used if substitution rules or the properties of indefinite integral cannot be used. So you can use this integration by parts. The formula of integration by part is integrals u dv is equal to u times v minus integrals v du. Okay, example, if I have integrals 2x times 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 dx is equal to, if we use substitution rules, we cannot change the variable x to the u. Okay, let's try. If we use substitution rules, we can know u is 3x minus 2. So du over dx is equal to 3 and du is equal to 3 dx. Or we can write du over 3 is equal to dx. So if we substitution to here, we have the value is integrals 2x times u to the power of 9 du over 3. We can see that the variable x from this function not to change to be u. So the substitution rules not can be used to this function. Then we must use the technique of integration by part. Okay, the first, let u is equal to 2x. So the derivative of u is du over dx is equal to 2. So we can write du is equal to 2 dx. Okay, you can see this function. If we let u is 2x, so dv is this dv. Okay, we can write dv is equal to 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 dx. Okay, when we need v, we must do integrals of dv and then integrals of 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 dx. So integrals dv is equal to integrals 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 dx. And then this integrals dv is equal to v is equal to 1 over 3 times 6 plus 1. This coefficient is 3, you can write here, and then n is 6 plus 1, and then times 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 plus 1 plus c. Okay, we can write v is equal to 1 over 9 plus 1 is 7 times 3, 21, and then times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7 plus c. Okay, if I have the value of v, u, and du, we substitution to the formula, this formula. Okay, this is equals to u is 2x times v is 1 over 21 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7, and then minus integrals v du, integrals v 1 over 21 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7, and then du is 2 dx. After that, we have the value is 2x over 21 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7 minus, this is coefficient 1 over 21 and then times 2. We can write 2 over 21 and then integrals of 3x minus 2 to the power of 7. Okay, is equal to 1 over 3 times 7 plus 1 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is equal to 2x over 21, 3x minus 2 to the power of 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4. And then we can write 1 over 21 times 12 times 3x minus 2 to the power of x plus c. Okay, this is the value of integrals 2x times 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 dx using integration by part. Okay, to better understand, pay attention to the following question. Integrals x plus 2 times square root of 2x minus 10 dx. We can write integrals x plus 2 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 1 over 2 dx. Okay, let u is x plus 2 and then dv is this is. And then u is equal to x plus 2 and then the derivative of u is du over dx is equal to 1 and then du is equal to dx and then dv is equal to 2x minus 10 to the power of 1 over 2 dx and then integrals of dv and integrals of 2x minus 10 to the power of 1 over 2 dx is equal to v. Okay, integral dv is v is equal to 1 over 2 times, because this coefficient 2 we can write here, and then n is 1 over 2 plus 1 times 2x minus 10 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay, the v is equal to 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 and then v is equal to, okay, you can 1 and then 1 over 3 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2. After that, we substitution to here. Okay, integrals u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So u is equal to x plus 2 and then times v. V is equal to 1 over 3 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 and then minus integrals v du. V is 1 over 3 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 times du. Du is dx. Okay, this is equals to x plus 2 over 3 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 minus, this is coefficient 1 over 3. You can write 1 over 3 times integrals of 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 and then times 1 over 2, because this coefficient is 2, times 3 over 2 plus 1 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c, and then it's equal to x plus 2 over 3 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 plus 1, 5 over 2. 5 over 2 times 2 is 5. Okay, 5 times 3, 1 over 15. And then times 2x minus 10 to the power of 5 over 2 plus c. Okay, we can write x plus 2 over 3 times 2x minus 10 to the power of 3 c square root. 3 over 2 we can write square root of 2x minus 10 to the power of 3, and then minus 1 over 15 square root of 2x minus 10 to the power of 5 plus c. This is a value of integrals x plus 2 times square root of 2x minus 10 dx. Okay, thanks for watching this video. May be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you again.